This system is still going to roll in, it looks like, tomorrow morning, and conditions are going to go downhill pretty fast for us. Even though it starts out as a nice snow, it's going to turn pretty ugly with the transition from snow over to some sleet and then freezing rain. So this is going to have widespread impacts across the Carolinas, back through Georgia and Tennessee, where winter storm warning is in effect. That will officially kick in tomorrow morning. It will last until Saturday morning, kind of bookmarking the time frame that we expect most of the activity to be taking place. As far as the snowfall amounts are concerned, they've come down just a bit. It looks like ice is going to try to take center stage a little faster than it looked like yesterday, but still 1 to 3 inches of snow possibility along and north of I-85 in the Upstate, up into places like Buncombe County, Henderson County, higher amounts up into western portions of North Carolina. Farther south, less snowfall totals, up to 1 inch a possibility. But again, as that transition happens, it's going to start in our southern counties first. So you're just going to have a smaller window of snow falling once it moves in early tomorrow. And as far as the ice is concerned, of course, that's going to be a problem. Most of this is going to be freezing rain, anywhere from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation, very possible across a big part of the Upstate. We will have some ice also in the mix over parts of the mountains, but the main focus is going to be in the Upstate into northeast Georgia. And once you get to about 1/4 of an inch ice accumulation, it starts to weigh down some of those tree branches and power lines. So just be aware of that. And of course, very dangerous driving conditions by late tomorrow afternoon. Our system's still out to the west. We've enjoyed a lot of sunshine, but clouds will be on the increase later tonight. Right now, we've got snow falling over parts of Arkansas, back into Oklahoma, North Texas, a cold rain in Louisiana, and into tomorrow. Again, very early in the day, it starts out dry, but by about 9 or 10 o'clock, we'll start to see some of the snow on the increase from the west. That ice tries to take over, and again, this may change a little bit. If the cold air says, no, I'm not moving, then we may end up with a little more snow. Just depends on how fast that transition happens. But 2 p.m. we'll expect some sleet and freezing rain over places like Lawrence and Greenwood, Greer, Greenville, back towards Spartanburg. Some freezing rain over the late night hours Friday into early Saturday. And then all of this tries to push out by about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. We get into some sunshine. Most areas are above freezing during the day, so we'll see some dramatic improvements. We hope, because we need that. By Saturday night, we're back down below freezing, so anything left over would be black ice. Meantime, we've got 30s and 40s on the map right now. Overnight lows, teens and 20s, so another hard freeze on the way. There's your 7-day forecast. We'll expect weather impact days for tomorrow and Saturday, and then very quiet weather through the extended forecast. Still bitterly cold at night, though, with low 20s. There's a mountain forecast. Watch out for tomorrow. It's going to be a big day for us as far as that winter weather goes.